How did you start your career in films? How did you get into films?
Anu, you know all about me, but since you're asking me this, I'll say so,
Yes.
that my entry into movies was absolutely by default. So no acting classes, no dancing classes, no nothing, no training whatsoever.
Which today...
Eyebrows भी नहीं बनाए थे यार, ऐसे bushy eyebrows के साथ dirty
उन दिनों
perm के
चलता
साथ.
था. उन दिनों ये सब चलता था. आज तो बहुत मुश्किल है यार ये सब. Today you
Now
gotta
they
go
come
through.
off the rack. They're all ready, you know, with everything, which is a good thing, I think. But it's so much more competitiveness, so much
Yes,
more competition,
yes,
and I
yes.
think it is tougher.
Okay, now tell me your most memorable performance. We'll cut to just your most memorable performance in films, because considering you've done so many, there has to be one which was your most favorite.
You know, it's difficult because, like, I mean, I actually pride myself by saying so that I've done a variety of work. I've done comedy, I've done serious cinema, and luckily that I've been accepted in both. Otherwise, what happens with a lot of actresses, either they're just only good at comedy and not taken in serious cinema or parallel cinema. They can't make the breakthrough from commercial cinema to parallel cinema. Or a lot of actresses who are only get stuck in the rut of parallel cinema, that is serious cinema, and not be able to make the breakthrough into comedy or something. Luckily for me, I got accepted in the glamorous, the comedy, the serious, into everything. If I've done a film like Satta, Shool, Daman, I've also done a Dule Raja, I've done Aks, I've done, Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, I've done Ziddi, I mean, you can name them, Dilwale, Imtihan, Andaz Apna Apna. So it's been...
Which is one of your most favorite, but there's something you remember and say, oh my God, this is something which I will never forget. Because you've done such a variety of films.
Satta was a performance which I really loved, which was a political thriller kind of a thing. And I remember meeting a lot of people later telling me, who were at that time apparently on the jury of the National Award, that I lost out by one vote.
And you won against
for Satta. And but I won for Daman, but I lost out on one vote for Satta as well. And my film Shool also had won the National Award. So it's been a good thing that when you get accepted in cinema like that, you know.
Folks, I've got an award-winning, national award-winning, all the various award-winning Raveena Tandon next to me, okay? And this is what you're hearing.
That very year, in fact, for Aks, which was ultra glamorous and everything, it was also a thriller, I won all the commercial awards for that year. Screen, Filmfare, and I don't know what, you have so many awards. All those awards I won that year for Aks. And, so whilst all this was happening, the glamour quotient was also there.
Okay, now you still haven't told me what is your favorite. So instead, tell me what is your favorite controversy when you were in films?
Favorite controversy?
Well, favorite means something which you said, oh my God, this is something I never expected. Or this is something, how did it happen? There has to be some kind of a controversy.
There was a full rumor and a story, apparently backed by some, some obviously competitive, very, very jealous, insecure actors or actresses, whoever it was involved, that I had reached someone's house late in the night and I am supposed to be very, very drunk, it seems. Okay? And that person lives on the 5th floor. 5 माले की बिल्डिंग मालूम है ना, मतलब ग्राउंड 1 2 3 4 5 हाँ 5 माले की बिल्डिंग, लंबी स्काई स्क्रेपर बिल्डिंग, और मैंने नीचे से पत्थर उठा के मैंने पत्थर फेंके हैं और मैंने सारे कांच तोड़ दिए खिड़की की। मेरी एम देख।
और वो बंदे ने क्या बोला आके?
बंदे ने कुछ नहीं बोला,
बच गया।
कोई भी नहीं था।
अच्छा,
किसने देखा, किसने बोला और क्यों बोला और कौन सी मैगजीन में, किसी ने नहीं देखा।
अच्छा, you didn't try to find out कि किसने ये शुरू किया, कि पता चल गया था?
पूछा, कोई बताता नहीं है। सोर्सेस हैव सेड। अरे बट कहाँ टूटी हुई खिड़की की फोटो दिखा दो।
सही बात है।
मतलब मैं तो अपना मेरा एम क्या है, देख बच के रहना, मेरा एम देख
लिया
ग्राउंड, मतलब स्पाइडरमैन भी नहीं कर सकता है, ग्राउंड से 5th फ्लोर
तक। So that is the call. Now tell me one thing, your comment on the term making a comeback in films and married women being written off by this industry. You are a living proof of that. What do you have to say on that?
Well, I think if you'd asked me this question probably 15 years ago, I would have said yes, probably it's true that, it's difficult for married women to make a comeback. But I think cinema has broadened its horizons. We've with waves of us going global.
Right.
Literally, I think there is work for everybody and anybody. The kind of roles that are coming, the kind of films that are being made, I think even our audiences have become very socially
There's no
aware.
hero, heroine as such anymore.
Nothing as such anymore.
Yeah,
It is like I told you before, this content is king.
Right.
And that is what I think wins over today. You give anyone a good movie, give them good cinema, and they are bound to lap
And
it
they're
up.
bound to have